In this video, let's talk about it is safe to use 2024 Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers. To tell the truth, Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers are exactly safe. They are mechanical components that push your wheels away from the vehicle original hub. The vehicle wheels are actually fastened to the corresponding wheel hub by a clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel stud of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each vehicle hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the weight of the vehicle is not placed on any Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers that are installed. Installing half-century Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century wheel spacers are designed with a half-century ring in the center that fit perfectly on the hub assembly and the wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug bolt can hold it flush against the mounting plate. These Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers allow the wheel to better support the weight of the vehicle and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum change of vibration. Quality Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers are much stronger as well as provide longer service life. Selecting the best Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS forged multi-stage half-century Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The half-century middle ring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of contact surface, the better the fit of the Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers, and the safer your drive will be. Thus, BONOSS forged multi-stage half-century Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers will effectively reduce the change of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, BONOSS FT cooling Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling Tesla Cybertruck wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drivers peace of mind.
If you want to get the BONOSS Tesla wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.